All right. Oh man. Mm. Okay, audio needs to be turned down just a little bit. Bitch. Like another $100 a month for this shit. Okay, now I know we're adding Rex to Discord right now. However, I'm not at the point to where I want users to be using Rex by messaging him. So obviously we want him to be posting on the Discord, obviously posting our streams, posting motivational content coming from our motivational area, and then helping users inside the Discord with any business questions that Rex might be able to help them with. So I don't want to create a whole nother co-pilot. So should I add it as not a secondary app, or what direction should we go in? Please look at the screenshot, because currently this is where we're headed towards right now. I definitely don't want to be adding like no problem people using Rex inside the Discord, but I also don't want them to get abused and get charged a shit ton of money for it. So we did change the features page, which looks a lot better now. And we're updating our main website page right now too. It's going to be a lot more interactive than what it was before. Oh, I took away the line that goes down with that. I mean, that's just a small feature. I mean, it is what it is. That's what I figured. Right now, it's trying to add a Rex Copilot 2. Yeah, we don't want that. We want the same, correct? So then the thing I can think of is yo, what up, Pepper? I almost said paper. Pepper. How you doing today, brother? Okay. Want a worker. Okay, but this should be in not our database. Yeah, I did get rid of the free tier. And you'll see why here in a second. So I made more like a little demo example that it's currently being built right now of our homepage right here. So this still stays the same, but I'm replacing this section just because I kind of feel like it's too much reading, man. Like, and like I've always recommended to everybody else is like, I feel like people's patience isn't like, they don't want to sit here and read. Like at one point I was thinking, oh, you know what? Explaining in depth to business owners exactly what he can do. And I was like, nah, you know what? Screw that. Like, I'm going to make something like a live action that they can click on here, that they can actually see what Rex does. So I currently have it being built. I've already tested it myself. I tested it off stream. But I'm going to wait for it to get done to see and make sure, obviously, it does it correctly. But it should. And it's going to look a lot better, man. Oh, way better. But we did add on the features page, we added these videos too to kind of go into more depth too, to, you know, show what exactly Rex does and the tools and everything that he uses and whatnot. So my favorite one's this one, the marketing one. This is probably my favorite one. Yeah, I still have a problem buying the Claude plans right now. It's not letting me. Although let me update the Claude browser. Maybe that might change things, but I don't know if at this point, like if they're taking it away today, it's like I've already maxed out like 3. Yeah, this was our 3rd one that we maxed out. And it was, I didn't even do anything much with Fable, man. All I did was UI stuff, and it just ate me up. Like I stayed up until like 3 a.m. last night, almost trying to get the UI, waiting because I had to wait 4.5 hours. Like I was like, dude, I hate the reset timers, man. Like it eats up so fast. Like but I still kind of want to change this page around, but I'm really excited to show off this this new part. Oh, they changed the date to July 12th? Really? I thought I saw something like that. Okay, then maybe we do. But here's the thing, like Okay, here I got a question. I'm gonna drag it on the screen. So if I'm already maxed out right here, if I buy, because this one was set to the pro plan, so if I buy and upgrade my plan, does that reset my Fable usage, or do I need to make a new account? I'm assuming I probably need to make a new account, but I'm not very familiar with it. It won't reset. Okay. The hell is this? I don't even know what account I'm on. Oh, you know what? This is my other email. Let's see. Okay. Let me try to purchase. So okay, so it is confirmed that they're going till the 12th, like 100%, like no bullshit. Let's create a new account. Do you get more usage? No, I agree. It should extend. I don't want to risk it. I'd rather just create a new account. Do you get more usage with the bigger accounts inside Fable, you think? I'm gonna try my credit card. Excuse me. It's still not working, dude. I don't understand. Yes. Okay. Well, I don't know, because it's like, I know you get more usage, like especially during the 5 hour, but I didn't know if it was like on the Pro Edition, like if it's the same amount of usage in Fable as it is with the other edition, right? So I know like in the 5 hour markers, it's different, but I just didn't know like if it's that way with Quad. Of course, I forgot my bag outside. It's still running an error telling me to go to their fucking support page. I've tried reaching out to them via email like 2 days ago. I don't understand what their issue is. It's annoying. Oh, for all 3 bars? Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good to know then. All right, I'm hoping. Crap. I'm hoping that this isn't running any issues. I'm hoping it does it exactly the way I want it to, and it didn't try to adjust anything. I don't think it did, but Yeah, I know Claude handles support. It's annoying. I was like, I need to talk to like an actual person about this because, like, for some reason, I know you weren't here, PR, but the, I was trying to purchase it, and it kept telling me my cards were declined. I tried my card, I tried my girlfriend's card, I tried my personal bank account, I tried 2 credit cards, and they all have money on them, and it just kept saying card declined, card declined. And then I was like, okay, well, what the hell is the issue? So then I was like, maybe I'll try to download the app on the phone. So went to go download the app on the phone. And then on an Apple subscription, it's $130 a month to start out. And then it's $240 a month on. I'm like, are you serious? I got to pay an extra like $30 for it. So then I was like, just for fucking shits and giggles, I'll try to do it. And then it was saying something like, I was just saying it to me right now. If this continues, there's an issue with the payment. So I was like, okay, I'll try to call my bank. Maybe it's my bank. And nope, they weren't even getting the purchases. False region VPN. No, I'm not a VPN. Hold on, I gotta. Finger in the keyboard really quick. Holy shit. Oh, this is fun. We'll be aware they may ask you for your ID or phone number. People have seen that. Also region. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I've been waiting on an email. I haven't gotten anything. Damn it. I did not mean to do that. Okay, well, I'm just going to do this and hope for the best. Hey. No. Yeah, man. We're trying to heal your eye, not make it fucking worse. Hold on, I gotta check my dog's eye. Misty, no, come here. Come on, I gotta tighten your cone. Pick up your head. I was trying to be nice by having the cone a little bit loose, but I don't know if you're gonna do that. Go to buy with the VPN from Europe. I guess I could try that. I can try doing it on my phone. The VPN. The fuck is this bullshit? Anybody know this area code? fucking area code is this? Can't even see it. Okay, it's not gonna fucking show it. Too fucking blurry. There's a 2112 area code. What the hell's 2112? 2112 area. That is not a Manhattan, New York City code. This is like some fucking fuckery shit from like Egypt. It's 212 space 6 space 31 space 25 space 28 space 01. And apparently it's from FedEx. I wanted to pay in USD and couldn't. Wrong region shifted me to Europe. What the fuck? Was Anthropic a European company or I don't know much about Anthropic. All right, I really hope this didn't mess things up. All right, please, please, please. Okay. Make sure everything works. Boom. Okay, that I feel like it's a lot better. I don't like that it changed the background of everything because now the backgrounds don't match, but it is a lot better than what it was before. Okay, now let me pull this up because I gotta get a screenshot of it. In it's 205 euro. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't euros like less than? What are you doing? Okay, I gotta fucking change the thing background again. Okay, just because I know it's gonna have issues with this. Okay, just because I know GPT is gonna have issues with the colors. As you could tell, it already kind of messed up the color on the background to not match the rest of the website. We need to make sure the background matches, below the black background, because we want the black backgrounds on and behind. What if your business had a second owner? So if we can make those adjustments and don't make any other adjustments to the colors, I think the other colors are very vibrant and highlighted, but the background color needs to be changed to match the rest of the website. This is targeting real business. Looks like target audience would be gamers. No. Gamers? I mean, hey, don't get me wrong. I like a lot of video games, but no. It is targeted towards businesses and not really targeted towards anybody else. Years more worth more as USL. I was hoping that it was going to be worth more than the dollar. So if you have more euros, then you have more American dollars. If you brought like euros to America, right? Ultimately. Didn't really do that well, but we'll see. No, I don't want to replace. No, I don't want to replace the HTML file because then it's going to have to burn through a bunch of credits. I just want you to tell Codex to change it from the bluish background to the black to match the rest of the page, like in the screenshot. So you have to give them the colors and everything to match that. The design aesthetics is very much gamer-esque. I don't think business tool vibes. So yeah, I mean, it's not necessarily like a business tool. I mean, it is a business tool in a way, but it's not like we're not doing like fucking HubSpot or Salesforce, right? Like that's the thing, bro. Is like I feel like a lot of these companies, like they suck the life out of, you know, their product in a way. Like they make it super simple, and I mean our product is super simple, right? Everything's aligned really simple to where a business owner can do everything, but the landing page is a little bit scammy. No, it's not scammy. I told you we're from India, all right? No, everybody that I've talked to so far that they've seen the website, they've actually really liked it. The background symbolizing, us as Destiny AI is the center building, and the businesses that are around it are built off of Destiny AI. So that's the whole point of the background, right? So when business owners, I mean, I haven't seen interactions with business owners with what we just changed on here, but like right here, people have seen that. And I think we're going to get a lot better responses with this versus the free accounts, because the only issue I feel like that I've had so far is when people look at the website, the only complaint that I had was that it was just too much information for them to read. And they need something quick and fast that they can just be like, okay, is this going to help my business or not? So that's the whole point of like why we just implemented this, is to kind of help people. And then on our features page, implemented the videos, kind of direct people there versus what it was at before. But yeah, like I don't want to go for a normal website, like looking like a game capsule. I mean, like I said, bro, I did play a lot of video games, so maybe that's why I like it a lot. But I want to separate myself from other people and what they do, right? I don't want the fucking boring ass website. Like if it looks scammy, it looks scammy. At the end of the day, I'm still talking to these business owners. So, I do have a few extra ideas on once we do get partnered with some, or not partnered, but start working with some businesses that I have lined up. I am going to be implementing them onto the website and whatnot. But we're on Trusted Pilot already too. So, I mean, not scammer websites aren't on Trusted Pilot, not that I know of. But there's really like no way for like someone to, like, what are they going to get scammed on in here? Like, if they actually try to use the tool, like they'd be like, oh, what am I going to scam them? Fucking $30. Woo. Oh yeah, I'll check out your website, Papper. I love checking out people's websites. I do. The only thing that I would want to do, like with our background right here, is like change the figurine and make it look more like the figurine that I had before. But I'm trying to allocate my time towards something else right now, because I mean it's just preference right now. Where's the at? Oh, don't put .com on your website when you post it, because it might get removed from chat and time you out. So like, I'd want to do like this versus the guy that's on there right now. This guy just looks too like, I know. I liked this one a lot better though. They're both good, but. But it is fully German. No, I'll check it out, brother. Really need to start working on the forge again. Need to move this arrow down. And it's going to make me do all that again. Go send it, Pepper. Oh, unless you send it to me on Discord. I don't have my Discord open. Push this live on our back end. Boom. Okay, right now. Dude, I can't. Dude, this is. Oh, you have no Discord? No, you can post it in the chat. Just don't do like the. You'll have to post the name and then post like .com, .net after it, like in another message. See, I really feel like it needs to be under this. There's no reason my Discord agent should cost me $100 a month to fucking. So dumb, dude. Whatever. worker. Rex Discord agent worker. Source sleep blank root containers 1. Oh no. Okay. Okay, now that I switch it from 2 containers to 1, I'm going to cut the price in half. That's good. Come on. Okay, I need to see if this got updated. Okay, now it matches. It looks a lot better. Let's pull this out. We'll make it full screen. Reload it one more time. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Oh, okay, that's pretty sick. I like how it highlights, like when you highlight this, it highlights what actions on the left. That's actually really neat. That's really badass. I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like that. Okay, let me see. Where does this take you? Okay, it takes you there. That's good. Explore features. Perfect. I like it. WW. It's password secured. I mean, I don't know how you want to give it to me then. I mean, if you don't have Discord, unless you don't care about, I don't know how many people are in the chat. Well, since we got 9 people in the chat, so I mean, you could post it in there, but yeah, it's up to you, brother. This is the right direction right now. He is a worker, Rex Discord agent worker. We want add the command. Where the hell is the command at? Yeah. Run command. Oh, here it is. Okay. I think I already have those in there. I should have those in there. Okay, let me go through this and then I'll Discord worker mode. Production. Wait, so it actually wants me to add that in there for that? Hold on. I actually didn't think it was going to want me to do that. As a variable. Oops. Oh, let me not do that. Oh, you can change it? All right, not that deep. All right, go for it, brother. Okay, so Discord agent enabled. I got to switch these all to true. Okay, true. Discord daily motivational enabled. Okay, that one's not in there. Dude, this is actually so cool that I'm literally like building daily motivational from what I know, into an agent. Discord live announcer. That one I don't have either. Discord auto roll. Roll picker. Okay, that one's already there. Discord slash commands. Okay, that one's not in there. Not that deep. No, yeah, post it, brother. I'll check it out. And this has so many environments. It's actually stupid. I have almost 180 environments. That's crazy. Discord guild ID. Pretty sure I have that. Yeah, that one's there. Discord application ID. That one, I don't know if it's there. No, it's not. I'm gonna call you Anno, bro. Do you hear about Bridgemite? He's make a same content. What do you mean make the same content? I've heard some of this about the Bridgemite. The only thing that I've seen is, I mean, now that people have been talking about him in my chat, is like it pops up on my YouTube. But from what I've learned is that Bridgemind, at least from people in the chat, have told me that Bridgemind is kind of a tool that brings all the agents together into one area for a workflow. Kind of like, I guess, Cursor in a way almost, but not like Cursor. And he charges a monthly subscription to bring all these together. If I'm correct, I could be wrong about it, but that's at least what I've learned from people in the chat. And that's not what we built. Like, that's not even close. Like, nowhere near what we've done. Because my tool is not, I'm not charging people in my chat. Like, I'm not building this tool for people to, for me to build a community and for people to use it. Seems about right. Yeah, see, like, this tool is to help businesses, and I'm just here, man, to help people along the way, give my advice, and grow my tool, and use it as kind of a. I said the word yesterday, and I can't think of it right now, but I want to use it as like a, not like a case study, but something to show like people, like I started out like this, and I was going through all this at the time. And like I still stuck through with it. I built my my stream and my tool all live and did everything growing with the community. He just streams like exactly like yours. Oh, all right. Well, cool for him. Motive. Okay. Yeah, I mean, everybody, like, obviously they're gonna have their own end goals on what they do, and like, I'm not gonna hate on no one. You know, we're all human, but at the same time, we're all trying to, you know, do something in our life impactful. So it's just about, being honest and staying aligned with what your goals are, right? Oh, he did streams like mine. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. Like I said, the only thing that I've seen about him is like from people have talked about in in chat about him. I haven't personally like talked to him or stopped by. I did see yesterday when I was on YouTube. I was going through like using an example on like Reels, or maybe it was like 2 streams ago. And then I think he popped up on there, and I was like, oh, that's funny. Like people have been talking about him. I was like, shoot, I guess the government be listening in, or YouTube be listening to my streams, into the chat, and now people are now he's popping up on my YouTube. Where are they vibe coding at, baby? I'm para co-working with you. You didn't even know. I'm para co-working with you. I feel like what's para? Para meaning ancient Greek meaning besides along. Italian to shield against. Are you shielding against with me? Or you mean the ancient Greek meaning besides alongside? I'm assuming it's besides me. You're right. Yeah. Dude, it's fine, brother. Said want to make I'm here for educational purposes. Okay, we already have that one. Pretty sure we have the YouTube ID channel, right? Dude, I swear I added the YouTube ID channel in here. Oh my God, maybe I didn't. Okay. Parasocial coworker. I like it. I like it. I like it. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. Like that one coworker that sits in the cubicle that you never talk to, right? But you know of him, but you don't talk to him, Oh, I know that guy. He's Oko. He's a cool guy. Yeah. That's what we're talking about, right? Okay, I gotta grab my YouTube ID. I gotta figure out where the hell that's at. I think it's right here. YouTube channel ID. Here we go. Back to digital. Go. Dude, this is insane. I just added a whole another like 30 variables. Exactly. See, I get what you're putting down, brother. Got you. Okay, my YouTube API key. I know I put that in here. But it didn't save it for some reason. I don't know. Oh, you know what? It's probably because it was crashing. Oh, dude, that sucks. Oh, dude, oh no, dude, that's gonna be so annoying. Oh, okay, no, wait, that one's there. Okay. That's good. Okay, we're good on that one. Where the hell do I find my YouTube API key? Isn't that gonna be in my stream? I know it used to be linked through API. Now it's linked through email. Not hating whatever. Love everyone who gives to the community, but why the day? Vibe cutting 1 mil, create your own unique thing, don't copy word for words. Other, I haven't really watched anybody else, so I didn't know like that's something like someone else is copying, right? But like, you know, I don't know. This is some title I came up with. Actually, I didn't come up with that. It was more or less I was brainstorming with like GPT, and that's what it came up with. I do love your angle. I agree that coding B2B product is entirely different to B. Exactly. I mean, honestly, like if I can say anything, like I feel like I had a different title in the beginning. So like if you go back to my previous streams, like you'll see I had a different title, and then like I switched over the title on YouTube, and then I started gaining more and more views and traction and people clicking in. So better to find him on live stream. That is true. That's exactly kind of what I was saying. Different journey. And we're down here in the sticks, okay? Our journey, we're currently sharpening wood for swords, okay? We're going to be upgrading to stone swords here. Then we'll start making some money. Okay, let me see. I need to get my API key here from YouTube. Google definitely does not make this fucking simple. Yeah, I just want my YouTube API key. Where do I find my YouTube API key? We're tier 1 right now. Exactly. Now, you know what? I'd say we're like tier 1.4, 1.5. Put this is your title, day 204 5 getting until I make one. Tell me why that I sound, bro, we're not on 204. In the dev console. Yeah, but where's the dev console on YouTube? Like, because I'm on Google Cloud right now. Like, obviously I know I can't show it on the stream, but like I'm in my studio. Channel, advanced settings, Google ads. No, we don't want to do none of that shit. Manage YouTube settings. See, I got like my user ID. It's always up and by $1. wait, hold on. Who are we talking about? Is that that other kid you guys are talking about? The bridge mine? God damn, he's on day 204. Good for fucking him, man. Holy shit. I was still slinging doors, doing door-to-door sales in the beginning of the year. Okay. Oh yeah, it is the Google Cloud. See. Let's see. Let's go back to the Google Cloud console. Then go to library. Holy shit. Oh, YouTube. Here we go. YouTube data API enable. ARR plus Lambda, dude. Don't give me that idea. Don't do that. Okay, then what? Go to API credentials. Create API key. YouTube. API. All right, that means I'm gonna have to go update. Okay, I need to go to my notepad. Good thing I updated this. Save. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. Add resources. So now, okay, so now our Discord agent should be getting launched right now to the Discord. I did everything correctly. Different like GPT. And when, yes, can you show? Yes, it like I said, the way that I talk to it right now just shows like the back end code and stuff like that. So I don't have like a full interface, which I do plan on building an interface, right? But the biggest thing right now for me is landing clients. So I can always work on like UI stuff and whatnot, but like that's why I spent so long, like especially in this last week with the UI with our website, is because I was having a lot of issues with colors and whatnot. And this is something I show customers, right? So like that stuff I don't show customers. So any of the stuff that I show customers, I've really been just trying to push. So that way I can present it more and more, right? But to be on the Vibe format, you need to have 4 cameras in different angles. Yeah. So we got a back. We got a back camera. All right. I had a fitness camera, but I just have the 2 cameras right now set up. I need to allocate time on bringing clients in. Then we'll worry about doing more of that stuff. But I do want to get a walking treadmill. I will say that, like, because I used to do door to door, so like I do miss being able to walk. I hate sitting like this. So but I would probably have that thing on like max speed almost, because I miss walking, man. Garage camera. Well, I'll just go ahead and install a camera into my internal systems, so that way you guys can watch my heart, make sure I'm doing okay during the streams. Which Merlin doesn't have that. We'll call it the internal camera. Hopefully it doesn't fall any lower than my heart. Okay, we launched it. He's not online though. Why? I should deploy go to runtime logs. I know he posted. Please review the screenshot that I'm uploading. I did deploy him live on our server, but however, he doesn't show that he's currently active and online on Discord. So I'm going to go ahead and upload some screenshots, and you go ahead and make sure that everything is aligning perfectly to where we're leading to. So I'm not really familiar with this Discord bot crap. I don't really know what to ask it. Yeah, we got I do want to bring back the doing fitness on stream, but I want to get some like a bench, and I got the weights already, but I want to do more stuff like that. Like, cause I mean, the room's decently big. Like, I got another setup right there, and then right here, there's a big like open area. So I have room to do stuff. I'm looking forward to my 7,500 tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, more or less. I mean, I texted the guy today, and because he just got back from Poland, and told him, hey, let me know. I said, I know you're just getting back today, so you probably have to catch up on a lot, but wanted to see if you have some free time Thursday through Sunday. He said, good morning. Looking forward to it. I will let you know. Hope all is well. I said, yes, did a lot. Great work while you were gone. Looking forward to sharing what we have ready for you. He said, good to hear and perfect. Then I sent him some pictures with this is the guy I'm buying the house from. So sent him some pictures of the tree and whatnot. So I'm looking forward to it. But we got everything set up ready for him and integrated into his business. So there are 10 viewers, and you don't have a 10. You have 10 viewers, you don't have to have a 10K stream. So originally, like when I bought all this stuff, like I was doing a lot of like gaming, right? So like when I made my first commission check, like big commission check, when I started making really good money from door to door, I was like, one thing I always wanted to do was buy my dream setup. So that's what I did. I bought a custom liquid cooled PC, bought my dream monitor, got my other monitor, and then this one my girl was using. I mean, I set up her PC and everything. She has the same monitors as me, but she was doing streaming and stuff, and then she kind of stopped. So that's why this monitor is attached over to hers. And I just was like, you know what? Since I'm streaming now, I'm going to go ahead and set it up because I need an extra third monitor. Like I was thinking about using like, because this is a 49-inch monitor. Oh wait, no. It's the LG ultra wide one, whatever it is. And I have hers, so I was going to use it, but I was like, you know what? No, I was like, I'm going to have to get all these special stands and whatnot. So does this one live in Slack too? No, but it does work with Slack. So it has integrations to where, like, I'll use as an example, the customer that we're working with, that we're building a custom interface for his business, that it does have Slack built into it because they do use Slack for messaging. So we've integrated it into his own softwares to where he messages on the software, it's going to show up on his Slack messages to the people and alert them, right? And then sooner or later, you know, we're going to build it into an app for him and whatnot. So got big plans for this guy, but just all what he wants to do. Are you Lex Fridmans? I have no idea who this is. This is like Victor. I don't know what Vector is. Let me see. Look it up. Vector your own AI worker. Hire an AI employee. No, so he's not an employee. What Rex is ultimately is he runs the business. So he's not an employee. He can act as an employee, but he's not an employee. So our job is not to replace employees. Our job is to make the business owner's life simpler, right? There's a lot of things that people don't know about business owners that they run behind the scenes that people don't see, that they struggle with, whether it be like marketing issues, inventory issues, sales and management issues, paying out people. They got, all this stuff that they're doing, and it's in like 5 to 6 different apps, and they're like all over the place, right? So the whole point of this is to bring it all together for the business owner, have one area, and use Rex as essentially them to do it all. I can't tell you DNS on my website because YouTube deletes it automatically. Oh shit. I mean, you could type it out, but like space it out. That makes sense. Let me look up. I was gonna look up like really quick. No, not that guy. I will tell you there. I can't remember. Oh, I do remember the movie. You guys look up The Invisible. If anything, like when I was a kid, bro, everybody used to say I used to look like this guy. I had long hair. This guy? I don't know his name, but they used to tell me I used to look like him as a kid. Who they used to call me. But the way to do it is by connecting your AI to other platforms via auth and API, right? So not exactly. So they can build their system inside. So I'll use as an example. So like our customer portal, like our ones that we're not custom making for businesses. Yes, they can implement like Clover or like their point of sale into it. And then it connects them all together, right? So like, yes, on one part of it, it is doing that. But at the same time, the way that Rex runs and operates is not the same way like an AI employee would run and operate, right? Like this, he's going full in depth and dissecting everything in your business. So like, if I use this as an example a lot, if you have a company that is starting up and their biggest competitor is Chipotle, right? Chipotle, when they run advertisement, they're probably spending anywhere between $20,000-$30,000 a month, right? For advertisement, maybe even more. It's probably more than that. But if it's looking at your income and it's saying, hey, you know what? Chipotle's running ads at this much, but currently you are only making a profit of about 10 grand a month. I need you to not allocate your full 10 grand into this. I'm going to build you a custom plan to still bring in customers, but not spend all that 10 grand. I'll get you a cost per click that's going to pay this much. Can I show a visual demo of Rex? Eventually, yes, I will show a visual demo of Rex. Like I've been telling people, is that I can't show one right now because it just shows my backend files. I haven't been too worried about building a UI for my backend. Because I really just am focused about fixing a lot of the front end stuff for customers and whatnot. So their experience is better. And then, yes, when we start landing customers, then it's going to be like, okay, let me start working on a back end so I can start showing this off more and more and more. And then it catches traction of more people, right? So I have that all planned out. Use square brackets to start. Oh, yeah. Where space is a... paper. You should be able to do like let me type it out. Like you should be able to do, actually, you know what, I should be able to just pull up, if you already typed it, if Nightbot deleted it, I might be able to see it still. Hold on. Delete it. Oh, it deletes it. YouTube's deleting it before it even comes in. Yeah. Okay, I got sidetracked here. Hold on. I got to push this through. Push that. So what if you do like, let me pull up chat. If you type it like, I'll type mine as an example. You could do it like that. Yeah, Rex is built already. Rex is fully operating and does everything for businesses already. The only thing we are doing right now is we are adding a little bit different of skill paths. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just not really talking about it too much, but I am adding in some skills. Like right now, what we're working on is policy helpers and wiring him into all the 8 skills. So ultimately he already works and does everything for a business owner, and like on the business owner's side, they can talk to him and he does watch everything and points out things and is connected to literally everything for the business owner. But like, has Rex helped me out? Yes, he's helped me out a lot. So our way of doing things here is I get a prompt from GPT 5.5 and then I give it to Rex, and Rex dissects it and make sure he spits out the correct code that's going to be implementing and building himself, right? So the reason I have it set that way is because we have certain goals that we're trying to align to and certain paths that we're trying to go, and I need to make sure that it aligns with that. And instead of me checking it, Rex is there to check it for me, and then he gives it back to me, and then I give it to Codex and implement it into Rex or website, whatever. That's kind of how we do things here. Oh no. Wait, why was it degraded? Hold on, I got a crash on my server. I currently have stage 12S currently working inside a Codex, but when I tried to push forward the back end, we're getting this code on DigitalOcean. Can you go ahead and fix this to where the deployment doesn't fail? Can you voice chat? No, I haven't implemented voice chat. I want to eventually. And if the client that I'm going to be doing business with wants him to have that, and I charge a little bit more for it, then I'm going to start integrating it like probably next week. If not, then I'm not too worried about it. I do have like I can voice like chat with him where it picks up my audio like I've been talking right now, but I don't have it to where like he talks back to me like on a AI voice. I do want that though, but that also costs more on like my server side and whatnot too. So I just have to make sure, you know, I don't want to bring too much features in and getting charged a lot than what I'm already making, right? So that's the biggest thing is I always want to have more profit, and you know, this other stuff I can always wait on and add eventually. And that's what I plan on doing. So I got a lot of things planned for him. Like I said, like eventually, like I think like end goal is like even implementing him into like full on like animatronics type stuff is like very like end goal. But we'll see. You know, that could change over time. I don't know why this failed. It just says error. It's not even giving me the reason why. So stupid. Building my own CRM for businesses, and I have my own Rex in the CRM, has access to all the tools, contacts of clients, ECT, etc. from my CRM. Oh no shit. Really? I like it, brother. Good shit. The CRM, are you building like it within APIs or what are you doing? Websites in my GitHub bio. Is your GitHub on your profile? You can also, whoa, voice crack, holy shit. You could also put the website in your YouTube description. That might help. And I can click on your profile and check it out. I want to change this. I want to do something else with this. I don't like, I don't know. I want to kind of put like how Rex's memory works right here, since it works way different than all the other AIs. So working on landing page is just a rough draft for now. Fuck yeah. Dude, building a CRM for a business is definitely a huge. But one thing, like, you just got to figure out like what type of CRM you're going to be pushing, right? Like there's going to be different ones. I would recommend, like, personally, like a sales CRM. That would be big. Like if you can compete with like HubSpot and fucking Salesforce, like, dude, so many companies need sales CRM. It's crazy. Like when I did door-to-door sales, the amount of like sales CRMs that I did and used was dumb. People are building a ton of stuff. I agree. What is your memory? Work for your agent. Mine's like service-based business. So yeah, so the way that our memory works is I'm gonna try to launch it. If it crashes my stream, I do apologize. I tried making something last night too to kind of like help understand. You know what? I'm just gonna launch the one from that fucking Fable built me, because this one won't crash. So now try to stick along when I explain this. It's going to be really difficult to kind of explain, because the way that Fable designed it, Fable doesn't have all the information on how Rex works. So when I tried to one prompt it, I tried to give him some information, and he kind of built me like a solar system in a way. So let me see. Can I pull this out into... Can I copy this and put this into my browser? Hold on. That'd be clutch. No. We can't do that. Okay. So if you've heard of Obsidian, that's kind of how Rex's memory works. Okay. So the way that I built him is, obviously you have Rex's core, and then you have every 100 prompts that I'm talking to Rex, it then will take those messages and then summarize them and give me a brief summary on what we talked about in those 100 messages. So one thing that I always found when, hold on, let me post this before, so while I'm talking, it works and fix the error. So one thing I always found that's a big pain in the ass when having an AI agent is that when you're talking to it and your chats get longer and longer and longer and longer, that one, the chat starts becoming slower. So like the page takes longer to load, then, you know, it starts not remembering everything, and it will only remember certain things that you want it to remember. So one of the issues that I had when doing that was like, fuck, like I can't ever, like, I don't want to have to tell my agent, oh, I need you to remember this every time, right? So that's why I came up with a system to where it saves in those 100 messages and then gives you a brief summary on the important things you talked about. Like, it's not going to remember like the miscellaneous stuff, like, you know, what color is the fucking sky today, right? Like if you ask stupid questions like that, it's not going to remember that. So the way that it works is you'll have those, like, let's say, I don't know if I can find one on here. I know there was one, but like, let's say this is that 100 message, right? Then it's going to have the other messages that go off of that into another 100 message, and then they keep breaking off, right? So the way that Rex is built is that he's built around Rex himself, and then each business gets their own individual Rex. And that Rex is tied in and built around that business owner. So that's what like this one would be, right? So inside this demo restaurant, I would click on it and they're going to have their own Obsidian inside of it that is working together, right? Every time they chat with it, same thing, 100 messages, going to save brief. Anytime they run any commands or emails are sent out or supplies are ordered, anything like that, it's going to branch off into a memory and Rex is going to remember it. And then I can go in here and I can obviously see, okay, you know, this is what you did, you know, or, you know, marketing campaigns, anytime a marketing campaign was done. So that way that Rex agent is learning that business. And then you have your main Rex agent. I don't know how to go back on this. Here we go. So then you have your main Rex agent, that's our Rex core, then talking to that one, right? So anytime we make any updates to Rex itself, it's not going to change that business on how it runs and operates. It's going to change, obviously, the structure on how Rex does things, but it doesn't affect the business to where they're losing stuff, right? In your YouTube bio? Okay, I'll check it out. So about essentially an open claw for each business owner, but in your server. Correct. In a way, yes. I'm not really familiar with open claw, but I would say if you're saying it's like open claw, then in a way, maybe. Because essentially what I didn't want was like, let's say, this is an example. So cybersecurity is one of the most important things when it comes to even doing this type of stuff, right? Because what you don't want is business information to get leaked out or anything like that, right? So another reason in doing this was like, okay, I need to protect the businesses that I'm working with too, because I don't want their information being leaked. I don't want any of their stuff being compromised. So the way in doing this and protecting them is, in order for anybody to even get to a business, they would have to go through Rex. And then if they made it through Rex for whatever reason, which I doubt they would, then they would have to make it through an additional Rex for that business, right? So I did this as more of like a protection caution, because obviously working with more and more businesses, that it's going to become very complex, and I wanted to simplify things to where Rex is still learning from those other businesses that it's working from, but it's not changing the way it operates and thinks. But he is learning on how those businesses learn and operate. And then, you know, at the end of the month, it gives me a breakdown. Hey, this is what I'm learning from this business. This is what this business is doing. Hey, I would advise that, you know, you give them a talk and say, hey, you know what? You're not using us to the full potential, or maybe they are using them to the full potential, right? Well, it's your own harness that people are using with their business that Rex handles. Essentially, yeah. It's like a best way I can kind of explain it is like a little broken off agent. Let's say you have like a chat GPT agent. If you were to take that agent after it knew everything that you wanted it to do and built another agent under it, that's how it kind of would work in a way. So, but that's one thing that like I think I've kind of separated myself from a lot of other people. I mean, I don't know other people really building like a AI platform kind of like this, but is that my memory system is very complex. Really, no, it's not a local model. I didn't want to do a local model. It's just way too much on the GPU and other stuff. So it's on an actual server. And then the model, so Rex is built from the ground up. I know we had a big conversation about this yesterday. I'm not trying to get into all again, but the only thing that he uses is he uses GPT 5.5 for like deep searches on the internet. And if he's having issues with answering a question, he will use GPT 5.5, but everything else is built solely around a business. So he piggybacks off of GPT 5.5, but he doesn't solely use GPT 5.5. He uses himself in the server that I built. Yeah, I know. We had yesterday a big discussion about it. So if you want to know really all about it, I would recommend going and watching last stream, because I went way into it with one of the guys that was in here, because he was trying to tell me all this stuff like, oh, you can't build your own AI agent because it costs millions and millions of dollars. And, you know, I'm trying to tell him like, oh, you don't know me, bro. Like, you know, I don't want to get into it again, but like I built my own agent from the ground up using Python. I didn't use AI to code it until probably the very end, when I learned, oh, wow, you can use AI to code. Wow. Yeah, kind of like your site. I got you. The paper's like, I don't want to hear this shit again. I don't blame you. But yeah, it's a very dude, why can't I open up your profile? Here we go. Go to channel. Okay, here we go. What's the password? Oh, that's the password. Okay. I see it. Oh, I like it. I mean, I can't read it, but I definitely like it because it gives me kind of like more like the it's kind of like original and simple, right? So it's like it gives me that like, I wouldn't say like sticky note vibe, but it's more or less like retro vibe, right? So it gives me like, just from like seeing the colors, I definitely I'm a color person, so vision now. John screen, I got you. It is in German, so we'll do full screen. You know, one thing I think, all right, and only take this as a consideration, maybe if you want, but I think it would be kind of cool, like if these were kind of like, it looked like they were levitating in a way, like moving up and down, not too much, but some. I think that might be a cool little feature to add. Unless you're just going for like simple website. My eyes. I would recommend, just because, I mean, I don't know your main colors. Obviously, I say it's kind of like yellow, but holy shit, man, this is a little bright. But I still like it. It looks good. I like the yellow code right here. That looks good. That's a little bright for me. Okay, where is, oh, the support? Okay. Or try us or try to use the support. What do you want me to ask it? What is your purpose? Oh. Why did I put what it is your purpose? Can't even fucking English. Nico, your assistant orthobot. My purpose is to provide you with information and support in the Ortho Project. Ortho Project is an AI-powered automation tool designed to solve spelling and grammar issues. Really? It automates the entire process task and submits the answers. That's sick. There's specific. So I do have a question. So now the support is in English. Is that like on purpose, or is because we're testing it out, or like obviously like it's in German, so like is this eventually all going to be in German too, or no? So it's by, it's an AI. So I can, oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, I've been transferred to the support team. No, you can't. Are you typing to me right now, Paper? I like it though. Good work though. I'm a support team. Yeah, I kind of figured that was you. Start. Say. I got you. Oh, no shit. You can take control of it. You want me to click right here? know where your mouse button went, but that's pretty sick. I like it. Good shit though. I wish I could read it, but I definitely give this like a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's super simple, super clean to understand. I wish I could actually read it, but gotta log in. All right, let me pull it off streams then. Oh shit, I can translate it to fucking English. Well, I need to push this live. Their systems are down right now. What am I making? Right now I'm checking out one of the guys in the chat websites, but we're making a AI co-pilot basically for business owners to run their business off of. Like it. So wait a minute, Paper, when you use this tool, is it going to be kind of like implemented into our software to like Grammarly or no? All right, I don't know what's in the phone profile on me. Oh, it's a cheating tool for schools. No shit. I'll definitely have to keep this in my back pocket in case, you know, I ever run across anybody that goes to college or something. It's pretty cool though. Good shit, man. Oh, no shit. What do you charge like a month or something? I guess I could look. I can't see. You'll have to tell me how much. That's pretty cool though. That'll definitely get a lot of traction, I'm sure. Oh, you're not charging anything for it? Really? Let me push this forward. Forward and onward. It's open source, and I'm staying this up in here. wanted to help people. I like it. Good shit though. That's what it's about, bro. Helping people at the end of the day. See, that's why we get along so much. Android app is coming. Is going to cost. Okay, that makes sense. What are you going to go through for like your app store? Oh. You plan on like is it going to be a separate app? I'll tell you. Okay. My expert at vibe coding. I'm an expert at coding, I would say, but like vibe coding, I mean, I'm a little bit still new to. I mean, I just learned that AI could basically write code for you. And then obviously my agent does the coding for me now. But essentially, I'm a little bit new to vibe coding, probably like a month and a half, maybe. I don't know, probably as long as the stream, maybe like a few days before I started streaming. But prior to that, coding, I'm familiar with Python very well. So a lot of this stuff is relatively a lot of this stuff is relatively pretty cool. I mean, it saves a lot of time. Like coming from someone that knows like code doing background stuff like that, and it's so long. Like, bro, in doing this on what I tried to create, I easily would have probably, like, all this stuff would have probably taken me about a year to do. You vibe coded the program for $0? No shit. Good shit. Okay, 20. I definitely feel like you could probably like, bro, I mean, think about it. If you like start getting like licenses and stuff to people, let's say that app got at least 1,000 users, right? Like, I might limit yourself. I know you want to help people, but like, dude, I'm telling you right now, that app like has serious potential, Pepper. Like, I might do like the first 1,000 people free, and then after that, $5, bro, $10. Like, you know, something I might do, but I watched too much Indian tutorial. That's why you keep talking about the Indians. Please. And someone's going to the teacher and I'm cooked. Wait, you're not supposed to do something like that or what? What are the limitations of vibe coding? I haven't really found any limitations to vibe coding. Dude. What the fuck do we keep running into here? Hold on, there's something going on with my server. I need to fix it. Containers repeatedly crashing. Check runtime logs or crash logs to troubleshoot. Previous build was reused. Okay, why? Okay, so if we're currently looking at our Rex agent inside of the server, It's currently saying that we're currently degraded, and for some reason, the Discord agent that we created, the containers are repeatedly crashing. I tried to check the crash logs, but it just took me back to the original one before we deployed the new rollout patch. So can we get this fixed? And can you tell me why we're running into this issue? It's a little bit illegal, but nothing to stand in the policies. But it's like cheating. That's the problem. Oh shit. So wait, are you still in university right now, Papper? Or no? Start with free bluff. It might be a good. I haven't used that software, but is that what you use, Papper, or no? Yeah, I've spent way too much money on like subscription costs to just use AI. You're in school. Oh shit. Like just in the last week, I probably spent a good $900 on Anthropic. Oh, high school, no shit. Good shit, bro. You already doing shit like that in high school? But I would keep it going, bro. If I could go back and go to when I went to high school and start doing shit like this, like, dude. You guys don't have. That's what I heard. I knew someone that was stationed in Germany, like in the military. We pulled I think the US pulled out all their forces in Germany, didn't they? Yo, what up, user 45? How you doing today, brother? Welcome to the stream again. New landing page? Yeah, a little bit. I did some changes to it. So now I implemented like kind of like a demo for people to use. I took away the free account just because I wanted to create a little bit more space on my servers. So now, you know, it's a fully like you can test it and try it yourself. Like you can view it, hit approve, hold. So it's very like interactive now. And I changed this. Oh, and then on the features page, I added videos. So it helps people understand, hey, this is exactly what this feature does versus, you know, the real world examples that we had before. It just shows, you know, hey, this is what it does. And I like that because I'm more of like a video person. Like, I think it definitely helps. You had a free tier on my app as well, but I removed it as well. Yeah, no. It definitely like, I feel like with the whole goal is to have someone set an appointment. Like, I don't want there to be free access to it. I want someone to, you know, oh wow, like I need this in my business, and then set an appointment, right? So I think user 45 is still working on it. It's not, I don't think it's ready yet. What I remember is what he told us. Can't say before. Yeah, there new. Yeah. Okay, fast check. You know what? It might be because, hold on, I might know why this is running into this issue. Needs to be encrypted. I don't know why it wasn't. Okay, we need to make sure. Okay, Rex Discord worker is enabled, that it's false. I don't even think that's in here. Rex. It's not. When the fuck did it tell me to add this? False. Okay. We'll say later this month. All right. They're gonna decline. I hope not. No, I hope. Other for your sins, I really hope they accept you. Again, I'm not gonna do. I started thinking about it more. Like, I don't really care to. Like, I really just want to do everything myself. I don't want anybody's help. Like, I'm like, other than like people in chat, like if they give me recommendations, like, you know. But like, I don't want investors involved. I don't, you know. Might be a fast way, but you know. I like the grind. I like feeling accomplished on everything and doing it all myself without anybody's help. Thanks for Gmod or something. Yeah. No. That's my shits and giggles email address. So. Shit, come on now. Like, no, that'd be crazy, bro. You definitely gotta let me know. I'll definitely be hyping for you. Just remember what I said, bro. Like, you should know where I'm at. Oh, you already know where I'm at. See, exactly. You already know where I'm at. Like, when I started the app last year around October, I would say I probably did it back in like, I don't know. Let me see. I can get the exact date for you. Let's see if it can tell me. I have also one that's registered to me. Indian scan free API. Yep, see. Exactly. This conversation has grown too long. That's probably not going to tell me. I would say it's probably like last year in July, maybe. So July, no. Let's see. Let me go to my pictures. Gallery. Yeah, July of last year is when I started. Yeah, it was like July of last year. Like I came from like doing this, bro. Like so this was what was that? Let me get the damn it. So oh wait, that's 8/31/25. Why did I say July? Like it making me lie. Yeah, it was like that last year in August. Yeah, it was August for sure. It's 12:28 for you already. Damn, Viper. Y'all get some good sleep, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, no, I'd say we probably started this idea last year in August. Yeah. When it all kind of went down. Yeah, I was in made a lot of realizations last year in August. Kind of like changed my whole life direction. So last year around this time, I was doing some stupid shit, bro. My Lamborghini and stuff. So well, I think my same. I got 1% left of Fable. What should I do with that one last percent? What is it that we need to do? Here, let me see. I tried having it fucking develop me like I wanted to replace this area on the website. But this is hard, man. This is really hard to fucking. Oh, you know what? Let me do this. Let me try this. Actually, I have an idea. I know what I can use my last 1% for. Deep cut base scan. Yeah. No, I had I actually yesterday I went ahead and I got a subscription to Cursor, but I'm gonna cancel it. Like I shouldn't have done that. I'm like Cursor confuses me so much. I tried just doing it to use Fable 5, but it didn't. It worked, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Yeah, it is expensive. Actually, I need to cancel that right now before I fucking forget. Oh, here we go. I just want to cancel, bro. Yeah, they do have pretty good, decent models. Again, I was just trying to do it because I ran out of Fable credits. So was like, huh, maybe I'll try to go use it through here, and maybe it'll be better. That wasn't the case though. Okay, did I fix? Okay, I fixed it. Now the server's up and running. Then the Discord agent. Okay, is it going to show the Discord agents live? No, it's not. Okay, so once worker should show online in Discord. Okay, for some reason he's still not showing online. I'll go ahead and upload some screenshots of both the Discord. Actually, I don't need to upload one of Discord, but I will upload the one of the Rex Discord agent worker. And he is up and running, and I am paying for him. So can you please make sure that he gets launched online? I did do all the .env files above. There might be some missing from the back end, but they're all on a DigitalOcean at least. Okay, so we're also, oh shit, I didn't upload a screenshot. I might be able to sneak it in there really quick. Come on. No. Damn. But damn, I didn't even post on LinkedIn yet. I need to do that. Okay, I have an idea. And I'm going to try it. Okay. Let me see. Okay, what I want you to do is go ahead and replace the Rex core with this picture. Well, not picture, but obviously, you know, make sure it's like a 3D animation and that I can turn it fully around and be fully interactive with it. Just make it ultimately look a lot better than what the last models you created off of this was. Okay, it says I have maybe 2%, but in my usage it says I have 99. On my chat it says I have 98. Maybe I can get it done in 2%. It probably can't, but it should be able to, because it fucking, I tried having it do this and it charged me credits and it looks like ass water. I'm not even gonna lie. But this is currently like the logo we're going for like Rex. Really like it. Kind of reminds me of Guilty Spark from Halo, but it's not. Like, I think it looks decent. Like this right here instead. I think that'll look better. Instead of it like showing like that, I want to make it more like interactive with people. They can actually, you know, do stuff with it. But we'll see what Fable comes back with. Made huge improvements on the website though. Like a lot better than where we were before. I'm out of usage credits. I had to downgrade into the Opus 4.8, but I'm gonna see if it still does the same type of work, because I told it continue your work with Opus 4.8 using the same skills and thinking power you were doing with Fable 5. Like if we look here, like wait, I'm completely out of usage credit already. God damn. All right, never mind. I guess we're waiting. Lame. It's so annoying that I can't upgrade my account. Like, I feel like I could have accomplished like so much more if they would have just let me upgrade this. According to the document, 706 Discord app itself is connected through the / command registered successfully with command account. Then what are we fixing right now? So right now I'm trying to integrate Rex into the Discord to push out like daily motivational stuff, push out the YouTube streams when we go live, obviously help with anything really on Discord. But we're basically all done. I do have to do some stuff off stream on the front end side of the client portal, but other than that, like we're fully like I've been ready to push it, but all the things that we've done in this last week have really like helped a lot with presenting a product to customers. So like we're fully ready to onboard people, and I'm going to be onboarding someone later this week, potentially maybe the beginning of next week. Just depending if he's got to talk to anybody about it. I don't think he's going to, especially once he sees what I've built for him so far. And once we get that guy on board, then it'll probably be like we'll still do work on like obviously improvements with Rex and doing some stuff with our website as well, but we're going to be solely focusing on fully integrating this customer's portal, because it will be a custom portal to his website. I will have to look for certain partners to work with to handle like money management. And when I say money management, like people to take payments. I can't do Stripe. I was going to do Stripe, but they charge way too much, and this is going to be made for like clients that he's working with. So I have some opportunities with people already set up. Again, I just need to make sure before I continue with these partnerships with these people that this is something he does want to do. So what's Rex going to do on Discord? Rex is going to do a lot on Discord. So eventually I would like to implement it to where people can actually like in the Discord, like let's pop up the Discord here. So when people are doing like when they're building in their show your project, like I want Rex to be able to be like look at the project, give his insights on it for people in the community to help them build it too, right? So it won't only be me. I mean, essentially will be me because Rex is a lot of me, but I think it's overall going to really help people to kind of use Rex in a positive way. Like they won't be able to like sit there and ask him questions yet because I don't want that server overhaul and paying all those prices for that right now. But I do want him to be able to help the community and, you know, especially with their projects. So it's kind of what I'm trying to build towards right now. But the biggest thing right now is I'm trying to, he is already in here, but you know, he can't really do anything with him right now. And it's because right now I'm running into trouble figuring out my .envs to make sure, obviously they're all lined up. Oh, you know what? I know exactly, now that we're talking about, I know exactly where I messed up at. I know exactly. Oh, it already is. Good. All right, never mind. Everything's good in here, then why? But yeah, no, that's ultimately what I want Rex to do. Is it wrong, please? See, a lot of these weren't set here. Oh, you bastard. Okay, that's all fine. Live now. True. Rest are false. Discord live. Maybe that's why. Those are all the same. Okay. Okay, save. Yeah, that should be fine now. Not include the quoted or the values. Use this, not this. Okay, now one's going to add more. Settings. But I have so many environment variables. One thing to turn on now. Okay, yep. Discord / commands. That's why. Room. False, 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 false. Okay, let's relaunch. And he should, after this launch, be good. He should pop up live on Discord. Hopefully. Let's go ahead and implement 12T. All right, come online. Come on. Okay. He is not online yet. Is not posted either. Okay. Once he's not online, I'm gonna go ahead and diagnostic. Okay. I'm gonna get water. I will be right back. All right, we're back. All right, I got an idea what I'm gonna do. Where was it at? Um, I think after I get this last thing built for the website, I won't ever be touching the website. I really want to find a way to cold call on stream. I really think it would help a lot of people in the community or people that stop in. Thanks for the stream. I appreciate that, George. Thank you. Thank you. W, man. Hope your vibe coding or whatever you're doing is coming good. Got to my limits for set time. You finally pushed them to your limits. You can't do nothing no more. Shoot, I've been feeling that way. Hey, at least you're probably on a higher account than the pro account. I got stuck. I fucking like it. All right. I'm adding this command so we can nib this in the ass right now. No, I'm on the pro account, dude. GG. Wait, are you using, what are you using? You're using Codex too, aren't you? Are you using Claude? $50 on Runway. Bro, Runway? Let me tell you something. Bro, Sea Dance? Okay, hold on. Let me back up a minute. I feel like, this is my personal opinion, Kling AI is really good. However, let me teach you a little secret that I know. If you get a video that you like and you want to create it into a seamless loop, what I found to do is you could probably use Claude for it, because I did with Codex, but I linked Codex with, oh, I got to get the name for you. It's Adobe. I think it's Lightroom. Maybe. I think. Hold on, let me see. Let me look at all their apps. Adobe. I don't know if it's a, I don't think it is. It might be. No, it's After Effects. Okay. I knew it. Okay, so what I found is having, if one thing I wasted so many credits on, bro, is inside of Runway. I wasted so much money. I wasted at least probably close to $1,500 inside of between Kling and Runway, that I was trying to get the perfect video. And I don't even use the video anymore. That's the crazy part. Like, let me see if I can pull up my I keep calling it Sea Dance. Runway. I don't know. I think it logged me out. Let me see. Let's see if this was the account I used. I don't fucking remember. Oh, wait. Okay. So, bro, what I was trying to accomplish was like, we're not there yet. Like, ultimately, I've spent so much credits on these, and they always turned out like shit. So, the goal with this, okay? What I wanted to do was, for my admin portal, I wanted this to be like, you have Rex in the middle, right? And then you have these AI agents that are roaming around it. And those were supposed to be the agents that were branching off into being each business. So I wanted to create a spot to where eventually, each time we made a new business, it would automatically implement an AI into it. Obviously, we're not there in that type of advanced technology yet. We probably are, but it probably costs hundreds of thousands of dollars to probably do that. So one thing that I learned is about doing stuff like this, about getting a perfect video like this, for something to happen, for it to be a seamless loop. obviously the same amount of seconds have to, right? It has to have enough time to create a seamless loop. Now, these tools don't create good seamless loops. So what I found to do was, once you get a video you like, you then take it and you put that into Claude or Codex. I use Codex just because I like the way that Codex runs and operates. And you use Codex to install, let me see, I have it right here. You use it to install After Effects and use After Effects. So it'll pop up After Effects on your computer and use it in the background, and it'll design a seamless loop. Like, that's how we did this. That's how I got the seamless loop to work on this. Like, AI can create it, but you'll just burn through fucking credits like no other, right? So you get a good video that you like, and I recommend sticking around like the 8-second mark for a video and then creating it into a seamless loop from there, because that gives it enough time to be like, okay, you know, at 5 seconds, I need to create a seamless loop starting to happen at 6.5 seconds, and then it goes into it. So it pretends to be seamless loops. So like, you can kind of see it in the background of the clouds, like you see them rotate backwards a little bit, but no one really sees it. I mean, unless you stare at it for a long time, you'll see, you know, the clouds doing that, but it's not like a big thing. So clouds are very hard, and just so you know, clouds are very hard to do. Anything moving, as far as like making it reset its position into the same spot, is very difficult to do. Grass, water, rain, I guess that is water, particles falling, electricity, that stuff is very simple to kind of do it on a seamless loop. But if you use these tools in that matter, it works amazingly. Like, so easy. I might do that though. I might do, for like my first like video I do on YouTube, I might just do a tutorial on how to do that, because I've seen a lot of people struggle with, you know, the seamless loop videos, and I found a way to master it. So that's what I would advise you to do, though, is do it in that pattern. But I might do a YouTube video on that, just to help people. And YouTube's screaming at me every damn time. They're telling me that I need to post more like content, and it's like, you know, I kind of just want to do the live things, but I understand, like, you know, growing the YouTube channel is something, you know, of course, want to do to build a community to help more and more people. But I don't know. I got time to stream. I don't know about the video thing yet. Did we roll out this update? I don't think we did. I didn't. Okay, let me roll this out. No changes, everything up to date. Okay. It's saying that everything was up to date, and then it does that. Okay, that's retarded. My dog. Curtis, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, crashed again. Stupid bastard. See, now that I have other workers inside of our server that I'm starting to develop, now it's going to run into more issues. Oh. Another thing that I would recommend user setting up for your AI agent is setting up Sentry, bro. If you could set up Sentry, you could save a lot of time on like finding out issues. Dude, I don't understand why the fuck this is running into this issue. Okay, so I know this probably has to do something with our Discord Rex agent, but we're running into a deployment fail. Can you go ahead and review this and give me the line of code to fix it? What's Sentry? I'll pull it up right now. The Sentry, ultimately, if you are using, let me make sure it doesn't show any of my stuff. It'll show you like if you try to deploy things or use stuff on your website and or you're trying to use something in your agent or a feature is not working, instead of spending like for example, I spent probably like 5 days like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. It was a little bit longer than that, actually. It was at the beginning of last month. So the beginning of last month, probably at the end of May, I spent so long trying to actually fix my competitor scanner because I had it working, but then I wanted to stop using a certain product. I wouldn't say product. I wanted to stop using a certain skill, and I wrote a whole new skill. So I had already built a system around this one skill, and I stopped using it and started using the new skill. So everything was written off of that old skill. And holy shit, did that mess everything up. I had to go back through. I read all the code. I tried fixing it through AI multiple times. And finally, I tried to go back and fix it myself. And then that didn't work. So I was like, shit, like, what the hell's going on? So I looked up, on Google, like how can I see like what is failing, because certain things were failing on task and I couldn't tell. Like it would tell me, hey, it's not pulling the results on this, but it would tell me why. So I got Sentry, and Sentry tells me everything now. So like if it has trouble reading something, it'll give me the failure. And then it'll also, if you pay on a monthly plan, it'll give you an AI agent to deploy the fixes for you. Well, not deploy the fixes, but it'll give you the code to fix it. So I really recommend using it. I like Post Hog. I don't have much anything on Post Hog, but it's just called Sentry, SENTRY.io. I haven't used Post Hog. Like I said, majority of it I was just doing myself, and I was trying to set Rex up to a way where he could kind of self-diagnose himself, and Sentry helps with that so much. Look at the error is still Rex agent worker exited early with 0 exit code. Line that matters for DigitalOcean is the worker command is this inside of the script. Okay, so let me post this in Python. See, I can't even deploy this next update because I ran into that issue. I have to be missing like some sort of .env. See, the irritating part is that it added more .envs, so like my env list is so long. I need to push out the update for 12p, and yeah, I can't forget that. I don't know why. Ugh, getting this Discord agent set up is a pain in the ass, man. I just want you to work. Oh wait, did it reset? All All right, usage resets on quad in 45 minutes, which is good. Okay, you posted the okay, that please don't pull anything up on stream, please. I'm really hoping that it doesn't do this. Okay. The core fix should look like this in the Python file. Inside the script, disable worker. Holy shit, this is going to be a long file to read there. Why do I just do this? I don't want to do that. Okay, that should be at the top of the page. Why is that not there? The description main section. Beginning. I'm actually kind of curious right now. Now that I have my back end opened. Where are you at? Why can't I find my main file? Oh, here it is. Sheesh. Finally broke 215,000 lines of code on my main.py for Rex. Mini Christmas. What about my Rex agent? Where are we at on that? All these fucking skills that I implemented in here too. It's so easy to get lost. Okay, our agent file is only 20,000 lines of code. It's a lot. Our Discord agent has 2,000 lines. That wasn't done by me, so. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me make sure I didn't get ahead of myself here. Oh, it's already doing it for me. Oh my God, I jumped ahead of myself here. Okay, so after I get that back, I need to deploy it, and then we need to go back to Need to post this back. Okay. So after it fixes that, so I think once I start landing more clients, when I'm sitting around I say like 10 clients. If I'm sitting around 10 clients, I'm probably going to be making around, getting for what? If things go planned on the 10 clients, let's see. So if I'm sitting around 10 clients on exactly where I want to be, I should be generating about $19,000 a month. And then what I'm really going to do is I'm going to start allocating the streams to building the Forge portal for the community. It'll be huge. Let me see here. I need to go back here. I need to post on X and LinkedIn. I've been slacking on fucking posting, man. Oops. Okay, let's see. LinkedIn post. Let's see. I'm gonna make a good LinkedIn post. I'm gonna do a video with it. We're gonna do it based off of our website here. Yeah, it's about the same size. Can I hear my music through that? You can hear my music through it. That's funny. Okay, let's see. Oh well. Post that. I think videos are going to be something big that I should probably be posting more about. Okay, let's see. Tired, going to sleep, bro. All right, man. Good night, man. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm only probably going to be streaming for about another maybe 20-ish minutes. I want to finish wrapping some stuff up. And then once I get it done, then I'll probably end stream. I need to do some stuff on the client side. I need to get some stuff done on the, because I have to get that done by tonight. And then we will be streaming tomorrow. Probably early, not early, but like, probably around, I don't know, same time. I'm pretty sure Thursday or Friday, I'm going to be meeting with that guy. So like he said, he just got back from Poland. So I got to give him some time to catch up on his business. But I'm telling you what, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that against him. Because I'm gonna be like, man, look, you went and spent time in Poland, and you had to, when you got back, I bet you didn't even enjoy your time in Poland, man, because I guarantee you were still working. Here's my solution. Boom. Big hitter. Pain. You have to build the pain. The fuck did it? Oops. Oh. Big post on fucking X. See you here tomorrow. All right. Appreciate it, brother. Have a good night. Boom, boom, boom. All right, hopefully this fixes our DigitalOcean issue. So Rex comes alive inside Discord. Yo, fucking facts. The fuck is this at? What's in San Jose, September 25th? Oh, dude. Yeah, I'm really gonna try to be a part of this. I need to know where this is at, though. Oh, this at San Jose. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna be going to this. Damn. Might do something like that, honestly. X. Okay. Report explains why he is currently still looking. Digital stays offline in Discord. The new gate means that the worker still alive idle is set to, so DigitalOcean can show the workers running healthy, but Rex is not logged in the Discord flag. Is set this up in the digital worker. I did that already. Okay, we'll do it again. Settings. Oops, wait. Settings. X. Okay. Okay, let's make sure. I wish I could search. That way I know, like. Just do not put quote. Okay, I agree. Rex Discord worker enabled. That would probably explain things right there. I assume everything else is good. Let's see, Discord agent enabled. We don't even have that one in here. Discord agent enabled. I thought we did have that in there. Yeah, we do. Okay. I think that was it. I think literally that's all it was. And I'm almost positive now he's going to come online. He has to. I order my dog food. I need to do that. Well, probably do that. Where do we like on our usage here? 22 minutes. Okay. Oh my God, it's failing deployment again, man. Why? You know, I gotta say, this is like the most irritating thing that I've ever dealt with. There should be no reason why it's still failing. Everything matches according to the front end. I'm going to check this one last time. We're going to go down it word for word. Make sure nothing's crashing. Okay, please review it and make sure that all the things are correct in our server, please. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. Again, I should have the Discord bot finished up here shortly. And you should be live on Discord. So if you haven't already, you do exclamation mark Discord. Those of you that are watching, join in Discord, and he will be posting motivational content. And then if you guys want opinions on your business that you are creating, he will implement that. And just don't abuse him. but you won't be able to talk to him directly, but he will give you insights on business and whatnot. So anyways, that'll be set up here shortly. And I'll be streaming tomorrow. Probably start streaming around 12, if not before, maybe after a little bit around 12. Just depends. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I appreciate you guys stopping in. And then thank you guys for the new